Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I wanted to jump on here and give you a really quick look at this running water bottle. It's got a little clip on the back that's going to make it perfect for like running belts or other running accessories. Or you can very simply take that off and just use it as an everyday water bottle. Or if you have like a running fanny pack and don't really need the clip. This is going to be an impeccable choice if you're someone that wants something pretty lightweight and small to take with you hiking, running, out for a walk, or even just as like a kid's water bottle. I think this is a perfect choice. I know my son will probably adore using this. It's going to be quick and convenient to drink from. You can just use your teeth to help open up the top. And it's nice and soft and flexible, so it feels very comfortable. It doesn't hurt the teeth to open it up. And this is leak proof. As long as that little orange cap is closed, you're not going to have to worry about water coming out. So if that was something you were looking for, I would absolutely give this a try.